Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. It is a gorgeous day here. Yes, we still have snow, but that's okay. It is sunny and it is going to be 45 today. So I decided to try out this double camping chair with a footrest. It reclines, it's perfect for two people, and it has a removable headrest and footrest. So it is so lightweight and easy to carry. You can see it's very sturdy and lightweight at the same time. This is it all folded up. I love this here. This is a strap to help you keep it together for when you put it back in the bag. And I love this. It is attached, so you are never going to lose it. So easy to put up. You literally just put the feet on the ground and open it up. You can see underneath the little pillows fell out. I'm going to grab those and put those on for the headrest. You're just going to push down and that's it. This has a cup holder and it has one on each side, and then it has a really big mesh pocket on each side. Stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and show you close-ups. I love how adjustable this is. So you get these headrests that are just pillows that Velcro on. You can use them or you don't have to. It's really up to you. Everything just snaps right on. Super easy breezy. I can't wait to try this out. This is a full unboxing. I have never used this, so this goes to show you just how easy this is to use. I could have someone sitting next to me. This holds a lot of weight because it has a stainless steel frame and this Oxford cloth fabric, which is water resistant. To recline, you simply put your foot on the back in the middle and then pull back, and then you can recline. The footrests come off. It's easy to do, but it does take a little bit of muscle, and I think it would be easier to have two people to take that off, in my opinion. Here we are up close, and you can see just the quality of the fabric, just how nice and sturdy that base frame is. You have a cup holder that is a nice size on both sides, plus this really nice mesh bag that has pockets, pockets, pockets. Here's a close-up of the back. You can see the pillows, how easy they are to take on and off. And they're gonna stay there because of all of that Velcro. You can see the strap is still attached. And then you have zippers there to remove the footrests, and then you just take those poles out. I love this. Check it out.